Team, lunchtime. Let's open our tiffins together.
Oh no, my tiffin box is missing. I kept it on my bag this morning.
Ha ha ha. Maybe your tiffin box ran away because it was afraid of you.
Don't joke, Mosam. Dula is really worried.
Let's find out who came early to school today.
I came fast, but I didn't see any tiffin missing.
Relax, Dule. We'll find it together. Don't panic.
Maybe you forgot to bring it.
No, I packed it myself. Paratha and paneer curry.
Paneer, that's my favorite. Maybe someone smelled and could not stop.
The mystery of paneer begins.
Let's check everyone's bag.
Sudhanshu, why are you sweating?
Oh, this is Dula's tiffin box.
Actually, I thought it is my tiffin box. Both tiffin box look same.
So you ate Dula's lunch.
Yes. Yes, I didn't know it was his. Sorry, Dule. Paneer was too tasty.
Okay, Subhranshu. Next time, check the name on the tiffin box before eating. Come on, all share our foods.
Yes, I will bring pickles for everyone.
See, guys, teamwork always solves problems.
True, friendship means sharing and caring.
Friends
Forever.